My loaded green juice. Lovely guys, lovely, very lovely. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a loaded green juice. Yes, I have in this bowl some celeries, cucumber, ripe banana, apple, bits of ginger. Yes, and I have broccoli. So I'm gonna get started now. Alright. I also have my orange juice. For the liquid, you can choose to use whatever liquid you want or whatever sweetener you want. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Fruits and vegetable. I also have cucumber in here. Alright. This is aside. Gonna add my juice. You can use milk, juice, whatever it is you like for you to be really good and compact for breakfast. So for those who are watching your weight, I think this is a good meal for you. Alright, so I'm gonna cover this now. And I'm going to go. And there I have it guys. I'm gonna glass this now. Alright. Look at that guys. Look at that beautiful combination. Look at this beautiful combination guys. Green juice tasting so good. Yes guys, go ahead and try it. You will love it. It is not green. It tastes a bit sweet because of the banana and the apple and a little sweetener. Yes, the celery is loud in it. As you know, celery is very high in anything you use it in, but it's good for you. So go ahead and try it guys, you will love it. So yes guys, go ahead and try this lovely green juice, you will love it. Alright, lovely green juice. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this nice green juice. Alright, green juice, loaded green juice. Go ahead and try it guys, you will love it. Alright, so until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. My loaded green juice. Lovely guys, lovely, very lovely.